This 2022 Winnebago Boldt 70KL AWD is a Class B RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 2, microwave, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, oven, TV, skylight, awning, air conditioning, LP detector, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2022 Winnebago Boldt 70KL AWD is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.